In this video, how to rotate a video in Camtasia. Click on the video in the timeline. Go to the Properties panel on the screen's right side. In the Properties panel, you will see the rotation options. You can manually enter a degree of rotation or use the circular handle on the video preview to visually rotate the video. To rotate the video around its center, modify the z-axis value. For example, enter 90 to rotate the video 90 degrees clockwise. Enter 180 for an upside-down flip. Enter -90 to rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Additionally, you can use the sliders or input boxes in the Properties panel to fine-tune the exact position of the video along the X, horizontal, or Y, vertical axis. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.